Good morning, good officials. I am Owen Terry, your SA Secretary.
And I'm Ellie Brown, your SCA Safety Rep, and this is the news for February 12th, 2020.
Today's word of the day is resilient. If you are resilient, you are able to withstand or recover from difficult situations.
Harriet Tubman was an African American hero who was very resilient during the time of slavery in America, and she helped slaves find freedom.
Today is National Plum Pudding Day. Plum pudding is a traditional holiday dessert.
Plum pudding is made by steaming or boiling, and the pudding is usually served during the holiday season.
Many of the recipes don't even contain any plums. One explanation is given that during the 17th century, plums were referred to as raisins or other fruits. Today's day in history, in 1733, Georgia became the 13th American colony.
In 1879, the first artificial ice rink was created and opened in the U.S.
In 1924, the first presidential radio address was given by Calvin Coolidge.
That's it for today. Stay dry out there and study hard.
This is Owen Terry
And Ellie Brown. Remember, be respectful.
Be responsible.
Be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.